What you're about to hear is real emergency and police radio audio from a call to a tribal rec center. Staff reported a man showing up with a large, bloody bandage and asking for medical help. When deputies arrived, the situation quickly escalated. The man refused to cooperate, would not provide basic information, and appeared to be trespassing. Tensions rose further when officers observed he was armed, initially with what looked like a knife, and ordered him to drop the weapon and get on the ground.
Or you're going to go to jail
the scene became chaotic and shots were fired.
All this could have been avoided if you would have just gone to the hospital or given your real name.
This clip contains raw, intense audio from dispatch and body cam recordings, including gunfire and commands. Viewer discretion is advised. Now we'll play the full audio as it happened.
911, where's your emergency?
Hi, I work for Bradford Anderson, Rancheria. I got a guy that up here in our rec center. He showed up with a big old bloody bandage on his arm, and now he's in the shower. And I asked him if he needs medical attention. He said yes, he does.
Okay, let me check.
And then now he's just dripping blood everywhere.
Okay, let me transfer you to medical. Do not hang up.
It's been wrapped like that?
He said he'd rather have it be sewed up, so I'm assuming it's cut good.
You probably need some stitches. Okay. Sweet. I'll go let them know. How old are you?
What does that matter?
They're going to ask you, and I'm going to tell them. Okay, what's your first name? Thomas?
Yeah.
Okay. His name's Tommy. Something's going on. Okay. What's your actual birthday?
Don't you know that?
I know your full name, but I don't know your birthday.
That matter?
Okay, here's the deal. They don't want you on their property. Their property is all of this, including the casino and down the hill to the freeway. So you're going to have to get in your car and take off, or you're going to go to jail for trespassing. All this could have been avoided if you would have just gone to the hospital or given your real name. I don't know why you're walking away from your car.
Oh, you guys there, and
Say that again?
You had many men over there, and
I mean, if we didn't want you to leave, we would have stopped you. We would have had to leave.
Yeah,
like,
I'm good. If they want to, say that I'm trespassing, okay, I'm going to still use, there's a couple things I need to grab.
From your car or something?
And then I'll leave. So, do you need a supervisor for this? Why is this super important?
Because they want you off of the property.
Okay.
Is there a disconnect?
It's all private property, and they want you trespassed, so you can't be here.
That's private. That's private.
Yep. This is all
it's all owned by the tribe.
Owned by the tribe.
Property. Yes, sir. Huh?
What's the issue, man? Put that down.
Put that down right now. Put it down.
55, we have one at gunpoint. Put it down now. Fuck. He's armed with a knife. Get on the ground right now.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground now.
On the ground. Get on the ground. 55 shots fired. Shots fired.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Drop the gun. Drop the knife.
Drop
the knife.
I got the knife. Not scared. Come here. Come here. Cuffs.
Gone.
Fuck. Get him, Ed.
Yep.
Go, I got this. Go,
55, he's cuffed. Start medical code 3.
I don't.
Okay, that's fine. 55, we need several additional units of CHP and Fortuna can respond.
I need scissors. Do you have scissors?
Code 3. Put that down.
Put that down right now. Put it down.
55, we have one at gunpoint. Put it down now.
Stop.
55, he's armed with a knife. Get on the ground
right
now.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground now.
On the
Now.
ground. Get on the ground. 55, shots fired. Shots fired.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Drop the gun. Drop the knife.
Drop it.
Drop the knife.
I got a knife. Not scared. Come here. To you. To me. Cuffs.